Apes and apettes, welcome back to the channel. AMC is up almost 10%. We got some very good news today in a rare announcement from AMC. So let's dive into this video. Hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, all of that good stuff. But let's go, baby. Time to go to the moon. So exactly why AMC is up today. AMC stock is soaring. The movie theater chain saw profits at pre-COVID levels. AMC stock was soaring Tuesday after the movie theater chain said it saw the most profitable quarter by some measures since before the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. The company released preliminary unaudited financial results for the final 3 months of 2021, revealing sales of approximately $1.17 billion ahead of the $1.09 billion estimated by analysts surveyed by FactSet. It would be the highest quarterly revenue in 2 years. Adjusted before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, a key adjusted metric of profits, it's expected to be between 146.8 million and 151.8 million for the first quarter. That's far ahead of the 82 million expected by Wall Street, and the most profitable the company has been based on that metric since the same quarter in 2019, when AMC reported EBITDA of 269 million. It does say that on an unadjusted basis, AMC said it expected to see a net loss of between 114.8 million and 194.8 million. Estimates for a net loss of 119 million at the most optimistic end of AMC's range. AMC's 2021 results improved significantly as the year progressed, and we finished the year with a strongest quarter in 2 years, said Adam Aron, the company's chair and CEO, in a statement. AMC investors have been taking on a wild ride since the end of 2019, when the company last saw sales and profits this good. One of the leading cinema chains in the U.S., AMC saw its stock price collapse by more than 70% to $2.12 across 2020 as the COVID-19 pandemic and social distancing rules forced closures. Now, why this is so important, let me be very clear. It's not just the fact that AMC produced these numbers, which is great, but they're trying to refinance their debt. So the fact that they just came out with these results is going to let them get much cheaper debt. The closer to profitability, the higher that EBITDA is, the lower interest rate debt, the less risky the company will seem to investors, and the cheaper that debt will be. And that's another big catalyst that is here on the near-term horizon. Could come any day now. Let's now go over some of the other things that you guys need to know. We are now above my price target that I put out on Sunday, which was $17 per share. It's going to be a very volatile ride. I cannot stress that enough. It is going to move a lot today. It is playing into, what happens in the overall markets as well. SPY goes down, AMC tends to go down as well, so keep that in mind. But if we're looking at the ortex data, you could see we're looking at an estimated short interest of 21%. That's ridiculous. Borrowed shares already. We're only 13 minutes into trading currently, and that's at 164.9 thousand shares. Cost to borrow max still going up a little bit at 2.32%. Share utilization is at 81.07% as well. Days to cover at 2.55 days to cover. So all of that is looking good as well. Let's take a look at the stonk tracker data, and we can see 35,000 calls that are in the money, 93,000 calls that are out of the money, 6,600 puts that are in the money, out of the money puts at 69,000. So we're definitely looking at some fuel here to continue on this rally, but it's all going to come down to earnings. And today in after hours, we do have Google, AMD, Starbucks, GM, and PayPal. So all eyes are going to be on earnings. The markets are down a little bit today, and that's actually following some news that UBS had lower profits. It's seen the lowest profits it's seen in a very long time. So not good bank earnings out of Europe, and that's another reason why the markets are selling off today. But it's all in anticipation for those earnings. So keep that in mind. Gonna be a wild ride. We're actually coming down right now, but still, this is incredibly bullish for the MOAS and for the long-term potential of AMC. So hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you guys have not already. Love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.